Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Please consider subscribing if you have not already. I really do appreciate every single subscriber that I gain on this channel. Just trying to make it into something, I don't expect a whole lot out of myself for this, so please do, subscribe and, I'll make better videos with each subscriber that I see. Please consider subscribing, please. Let's get right into it. Today's video is all about the Coinbase IPO. Today was a Coinbase direct listing on the NASDAQ exchange. Today is April 14th, 2021. And it is exciting stuff. How Coinbase had officially been listed public today. They closed at $328 a share, which is about an $85 billion valuation, and it did at one point reach about $100 billion valuation during the day. So, what is Coinbase? That's what this video is going to be all about. What is it? Coinbase is basically a cryptocurrency exchange. So it's like a PayPal and a Square, except without the peer-to-peer payments or the business-to-person transactions. So you can't buy stuff off of Coinbase. You can't, pay someone off of Coinbase. It's basically a place that you can go to buy the different varieties of cryptocurrencies. I believe you could buy Dogecoin on Coinbase, but I'm not sure. Definitely leave me a comment below if that's true. I don't know that. I just made that up, but I don't know. But you can buy things like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, regular Bitcoin, and Litecoin on Coinbase. But let's also take a look at their products, what products they have. So Coinbase operates in two ways, basically. One way is for retail traders, just normal individuals like you and I, where you can download the Coinbase app and you can buy, sell, hold cryptocurrencies such as, like I said, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, so on and so on. There's also Coinbase Pro, which is a professional trading platform that they, have the same thing, same kind of product. And then there's Coinbase Wallet, which allows you to access decentralized crypto apps, which is a whole different ball game. And then there is the institutional side. So we have retail traders, and then Coinbase also operates for institutions. As an example, I do believe that Elon Musk used Coinbase to buy Bitcoin for Tesla when Tesla decided to take a few billion in cash off its balance sheet and convert it to Bitcoin and hold it. I do believe that Coinbase is how Tesla bought its Bitcoin. With that being said, there are other institutional customers, and they have Coinbase Prime, which is the platform for that. And there's also Coinbase Custody, which again is a special service kind of thing with Coinbase that includes an SEC qualified custodian. So they don't have to worry about is it a bad thing if I'm taking millions, hundreds of millions, billions off my company's balance sheet and moving it to Coinbase. Not a problem. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of Coinbase and its statistics. Monthly transacting users, again, this is as of December 31st, 2020, but in 2020 they had about 2.8 million monthly transacting users, and verified users, they had about 43 million in total. That's going to increase, you would think, with the popularity of Bitcoin amongst regular retail traders and even some institutions deciding to buy and transact in Bitcoin and hold it on its balance sheet. You would think that these are going to go up for one reason or another. So that is interesting, and we do think that it's going to keep going up, but it's also going to, it's going to not really plateau with growth. It's going to grow exponentially, and I'll get into that in this next part. So again, this is all from the S1 of Coinbase, which is the document that they had to provide to the SEC in order to list and have a public listing for their stock, and this is all public information. You can find it on the SEC website or on Coinbase's website. So 456 billion in lifetime trading volume. They've had almost a half a trillion in trading volume, and Coinbase has really only been around a few years, basically. And most of their trading volume has come since 2020. So in about a year and a half of trading, it is almost a half a trillion in total, trading volume lifetime. Um, that is absolutely insane, and that just goes to show you the strength and size of Bitcoin in the last, 2-3 years, basically since like 2018, 2019. People's convictions are coming true, and it is becoming a more investable asset. And that being said, there's about 90 billion in assets on the platform. Just for context, Charles Schwab, I believe, holds about $1 trillion in assets, and Fidelity holds about 2 trillion in assets. So this is about 1/10 the size of Schwab, and that's nothing to sneeze at. Again, considering Schwab has been around for like 50 years, and Coinbase has really only operated in popularity since about 2019, 2020, and it's already at 90 billion. So this is what we like to see. These are the kind of statistics that we want to see as far as like a growing company. And further on the S1, this is where we're going to stop after this, but look at their revenue. Their year end is December 31st, and in December 31st, 2019, Coinbase had about $482 million in top line revenue. It grew about 3 times for about a 400% growth rate to 1.1 billion in revenue from the end of the year in 2020. That is crazy. That is crazy growth. And then even look at this, the crazier thing. This is the craziest part, is that in 2019 they actually had a loss of about $30 million, and in 2020 they had a profit of about $322 million. That was unexpected, and this is a trend that we will want to keep an eye on in the future. Can Coinbase actually, create, this profit-making machine, or was it all an anomaly due to a high amount of, inflows of accounts created on the platform in order to buy and sell cryptos? Remember, this is all based on transaction volumes. That's how they make their money, is when people buy and sell Bitcoin. So is this going to last forever? It remains to be seen. Also, do they have a strong enough moat or a competitive edge that, when there are copycats that pop up, will this, fizzle out, or will it continue to be like the strong gorilla in the room and be the 1A option of investing in Bitcoin and all these different cryptocurrencies? So let me know what you guys think. Please do subscribe, and I will see you soon.